Welcome to Decode Chinese Characters.
Today, we're going to learn a Chinese character that means outside. Its pronunciation is wai. Wai is the opposite of nei, which means inside. So naturally, wai carries the meaning of outside. Let's take a look at how this character developed over time. In Oracle Bone script, the character y looked like this. On the left side, you can see the symbol for nei, which represented a house or an indoor space. On the right side, there was an upside-down human figure, symbolizing a dead person. The meaning was vivid. It showed that someone staying outside the house, exposed to danger, could die. Later, the left part of the character changed. Instead of the inside symbol, people began using the symbol of the moon, representing someone standing under the moon, that is, outside the house. Over time, this form gradually evolved into the modern character we use today. Wai generally means outside, but when it combines with other characters, it can also express more abstract meanings, such as foreign or external. Let's look at a few examples.
外边 means outside.
屋外 means outside the house. Here, 外 shows the physical position outside a space. 外国 means foreign country. 外商 means foreign business or trader. Here, 外 refers to means foreign or from outside the country. 外公 means maternal grandfather. 外婆 means maternal grandmother. Here, 外 refers to relatives the maternal side of the family. 外号 means nickname. 外传 means unofficial biography. Here, 外 carries the sense of unofficial or outside the formal version. Let's practice reading it together. 外 why? Why? The character y has a left-right structure. On the left is the component xi, and on the right is bu. Let's write it stroke by stroke. On the left, write xi. The stroke order is left falling stroke, horizontal left curve, and a dot. On the right, write bu, a vertical line, then a dot. Try tracing the strokes in the air with your finger. It's a great way to memorize the character. Got it? Now we've learned both nei, inside, and wai, outside. In Chinese, there's a special form of expression called chengyu, meaning 4 character idioms. Each idiom uses just 4 characters to express a complex idea, and sometimes even tells a whole story. Both nei and wai appear in many of these idioms. Let's learn a few simple and interesting ones together. 内忧外患 literally means internal troubles and external threats. It's used to describe a situation where one faces difficulties or dangers both inside and outside. 内柔外刚 literally means soft inside and strong outside. It's used to describe someone who is gentle at heart but firm and determined in attitude. 内方外圆 literally means square inside and round outside. It refers to someone who stays upright and principled on the inside, yet flexible and tactful in dealing with others. 内应外合 literally means coordination between inside and outside. It describes cooperation between internal and external forces working together toward the same goal. Aren't these idioms fascinating? We'll be making a new video series about 4 character idioms in the future. Hope you'll enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. More Chinese character stories are coming soon.